Top 25 Engineering Project Manager Interview Questions and Answers. In the competitive field of engineering project management, being well prepared for interviews is crucial. This video presents the top 25 interview questions that are commonly asked, along with insightful answers to help candidates perform confidently. From technical expertise to leadership skills, these questions cover various aspects of the role. Viewers will gain a comprehensive understanding of what employers seek in a project manager and how to articulate their qualifications effectively. 1. Can you describe your approach to developing a project plan and timeline? When developing a project plan and timeline, I begin by defining clear project objectives and deliverables. I engage stakeholders to gather requirements and ensure alignment. Next, I break down the project into manageable tasks, estimating the time and resources needed for each. I utilize Gantt charts or project management software to visualize the timeline, allowing for adjustments as necessary. Regular check-ins with the team help track progress and adapt to any changes, ensuring we stay on schedule while maintaining quality. Effective communication throughout the process is key to keeping everyone informed and motivated. 2. How do you prioritize tasks and manage competing deadlines in a project? In prioritizing tasks, I first assess project goals and deadlines, identifying critical activities that directly impact deliverables. I utilize tools like the Eisenhower Matrix to differentiate between urgent and important tasks. Regular communication with the team helps clarify priorities and manage expectations. I break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable parts and set milestones to track progress. By using project management software, I can visualize timelines and dependencies, ensuring that competing deadlines are handled efficiently, allowing for adjustments as needed. This systematic approach keeps the project on track and minimizes risks. 3. What strategies do you use to communicate effectively with team members and stakeholders? Effective communication is vital for project success. I employ several strategies, including regular status updates, utilizing collaborative tools for real-time communication, and establishing clear channels for feedback. I prioritize active listening to ensure all team members feel heard and understood. Additionally, I tailor my communication style based on the audience. For stakeholders, I provide high-level summaries and key metrics, while for team members, I focus on detailed task-related discussions. Holding regular meetings facilitates open dialogue and helps address concerns promptly. 4. Can you provide an example of a challenging project you managed and how you overcame obstacles? One challenging project I managed involved developing a new software tool under a tight deadline. Midway, we faced unexpected technical issues that threatened our timeline. To address this, I organized a series of focused brainstorming sessions with the team, encouraging open dialogue and collaboration. We identified the root causes of the issues and delegated tasks effectively, allowing us to implement solutions rapidly. By adjusting our project timeline and reallocating resources, we successfully delivered the project on time, receiving positive feedback from stakeholders. 5. How do you ensure that project requirements are clearly defined and understood by all team members? To ensure project requirements are clearly defined and understood, I start by facilitating a requirements gathering session with all stakeholders. This collaborative approach helps capture diverse perspectives and expectations. I document the requirements in a clear, concise manner and create visual aids like flowcharts or diagrams to illustrate complex ideas. Regular check-ins with team members help clarify any misunderstandings. I also encourage open communication, allowing team members to ask questions and provide feedback throughout the project lifecycle. This ensures everyone is aligned and accountable. 6. What tools and software do you prefer for project management, and why? I prefer using tools like Asana and Microsoft Project for project management due to their user-friendly interfaces and robust features. Asana allows for easy task assignment, tracking progress, and collaboration among team members, making it ideal for agile environments. Microsoft Project, on the other hand, offers detailed scheduling and resource management capabilities, which are essential for complex projects. These tools help ensure transparency, facilitate communication, and keep everyone aligned on deadlines and deliverables, thus improving overall project efficiency. 7. How do you handle conflicts within a project team? Handling conflicts within a project team requires a proactive and empathetic approach. I first ensure that I create an open environment where team members feel comfortable expressing their concerns. When conflicts arise, I address them promptly by facilitating a discussion between the parties involved. It's crucial to listen actively to understand each person's perspective while guiding the conversation toward finding common ground. I encourage collaboration on solutions that meet the project's objectives while respecting individual needs. This process not only resolves the conflict but also strengthens team cohesion and trust. 8. Can you discuss your experience with risk management in engineering projects? Risk management is integral in engineering projects. I begin by identifying potential risks through brainstorming sessions with the team and stakeholders. After identification, I assess risks based on their likelihood and impact, categorizing them into high, medium, or low priority. I then develop mitigation strategies for each high-priority risk, including contingency plans. Regular monitoring is key. I conduct risk reviews during project meetings to ensure proactive responses. This approach has allowed me to minimize disruptions and adapt swiftly, ensuring project objectives are met without compromising quality or safety. 9. How do you measure project success, and what metrics do you use? Measuring project success involves evaluating both qualitative and quantitative metrics. Key performance indicators, KPIs, such as on-time delivery, budget adherence, and quality of work are essential. Additionally, stakeholder satisfaction surveys can provide insights into how well the project met expectations. Tracking milestone achievements helps in assessing progress throughout the project lifecycle. Regular reviews enable adjustments to be made as necessary, ensuring alignment with project goals. Ultimately, a successful project not only meets its objectives but also delivers value to stakeholders. 10. Describe a time when you had to adapt to significant changes during a project. How did you handle it? During a software development project, we faced a major shift when a key client requested a significant change in requirements halfway through the timeline. To adapt, I promptly organized a meeting with the team to assess the impact of the changes on our current plan. We re-evaluated our priorities and adjusted tasks accordingly. I communicated transparently with the client, setting realistic expectations on timelines. By reallocating resources and enhancing collaboration, we successfully integrated the new requirements, ultimately delivering a product that exceeded client expectations. 11. How do you ensure compliance with industry standards and regulations in your projects? Ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulations involves a systematic approach. Firstly, I conduct thorough research to identify relevant regulations and standards applicable to the project. I then integrate these requirements into the project plan, ensuring all team members are aware of compliance obligations. Regular audits and reviews are conducted throughout the project lifecycle to verify adherence. Additionally, I engage with compliance experts and legal advisors when necessary, ensuring that all project activities align with industry expectations and mitigate any risks associated with non-compliance. 12. What role does stakeholder engagement play in your project management process? Stakeholder engagement is crucial for project success as it ensures alignment between project objectives and stakeholder expectations. By actively involving stakeholders through regular communication and feedback sessions, I can identify their needs and concerns early in the project lifecycle. This engagement fosters collaboration, enhances trust, and allows for timely adjustments to project plans. Furthermore, understanding stakeholder perspectives helps in anticipating potential issues, mitigating risks, and securing necessary support, ultimately leading to more effective project delivery and satisfaction among all parties involved. 13. How do you manage project budgets and ensure financial accountability? Managing project budgets requires meticulous planning and continuous monitoring. Initially, I collaborate with stakeholders to set a realistic budget based on project scope and objectives. Throughout the project, I track expenses closely using project management software, ensuring all team members submit their costs regularly. Regular budget reviews help identify potential overruns early, allowing for timely adjustments. I also establish contingency reserves for unforeseen expenses. Transparent communication with stakeholders about budget status fosters trust and accountability, ensuring financial resources are utilized effectively. 14. Can you explain your experience with cross-functional teams and how you facilitate collaboration? My experience with cross-functional teams has been enriching and dynamic, allowing me to work alongside diverse professionals from various disciplines. I prioritize open communication by establishing regular check-ins and using collaborative tools like Slack and Trello. This ensures everyone is aligned and aware of their responsibilities. I also encourage a culture of respect and inclusion, allowing team members to share their expertise and insights freely. By fostering relationships and understanding each member's strengths, I can facilitate collaboration that enhances creativity and problem-solving, ultimately leading to successful project outcomes. 15. How do you approach quality assurance and control in engineering projects? Quality assurance and control in engineering projects begin with establishing clear standards and specifications at the project's outset. Regular reviews and audits are conducted throughout the project lifecycle to ensure adherence to these standards. I implement systematic testing processes to identify defects early, which helps in reducing costs and delays. Engaging team members in quality discussions fosters a culture of accountability. Continuous feedback loops from stakeholders enable us to adjust processes as needed, ensuring that the final deliverable meets or exceeds expectations. 16. Describe a situation where you had to mentor or coach a team member. What was the outcome? In one project, I noticed a junior engineer struggling with complex design software. I offered to mentor her through the software's features, breaking down tasks into manageable parts. We scheduled weekly check-ins, allowing her to ask questions and demonstrate her progress. Over several weeks, her confidence grew, and she began to independently tackle designs that previously seemed daunting. By the project's end, she successfully presented her work during team reviews, receiving positive feedback. This experience reinforced the importance of mentorship in fostering skill development and team cohesion. 17. How do you stay updated on the latest engineering trends and technologies relevant to your projects? Staying updated on engineering trends and technologies involves a multifaceted approach. I regularly read industry journals and publications to gain insights into emerging practices and innovations. Attending conferences and webinars allows me to network with professionals and learn about the latest advancements directly from experts. Additionally, I actively participate in online forums and professional organizations, which provide opportunities for discussion and knowledge exchange. Continuous learning through online courses also helps me to deepen my understanding of new tools and methodologies relevant to my field. 18. What is your experience with Agile or other project management methodologies? Agile methodologies have been instrumental in enhancing project delivery and responsiveness to changes. My experience includes implementing Scrum frameworks, which facilitate iterative development and regular stakeholder feedback. In one project, we adopted Agile to improve collaboration among cross-functional teams, resulting in quicker adjustments based on user feedback. Daily stand-ups and bi-weekly sprints helped maintain transparency and accountability. I also have experience with Waterfall for projects with well-defined requirements, allowing for structured progression. Adapting methodologies based on project needs has proven essential in achieving successful outcomes. 19. How do you handle project documentation and ensure it is accessible to the team? To handle project documentation effectively, I implement a centralized document management system that allows for easy access and collaboration among team members. I categorize documents based on project phases, ensuring that critical information is organized and easy to retrieve. Regular updates and version control measures are essential to keep everyone on the same page. I also promote a culture of transparency by encouraging team members to contribute to documentation and share insights. This not only enhances accessibility but also fosters ownership and accountability within the team. 20. Can you discuss a time when you had to present project updates to senior management? What was your approach? In one instance, I prepared a presentation for senior management regarding a critical project. I structured the update to highlight key milestones, challenges faced, and how we addressed them. Visual aids, such as charts and graphs, were incorporated to illustrate progress clearly. I made sure to anticipate potential questions and concerns from management, allowing for a proactive discussion. Engaging the audience through interactive Q&A kept the meeting dynamic and ensured that their feedback was incorporated into our project strategy moving forward. 21. How do you balance technical requirements with project constraints such as time and budget? Balancing technical requirements with project constraints involves thorough planning and prioritization. First, I engage with stakeholders to clearly understand the project's goals and technical needs. Next, I assess the feasibility of these requirements against time and budget limitations. By breaking down tasks and using tools like Gantt charts, I can visualize timelines and allocate resources effectively. Regular check-ins with the team ensure alignment and allow for adjustments when necessary. Collaboration and open communication are essential to navigate challenges while keeping the project on track. 22. What techniques do you use to motivate your project team and maintain morale? To motivate my project team and maintain morale, I prioritize open communication and foster an environment of trust and collaboration. Recognizing individual contributions is essential. I celebrate milestones and achievements, both big and small. I also encourage team members to share their ideas and feedback, making them feel valued and involved in decision-making processes. Regular team-building activities help strengthen relationships, while providing opportunities for professional development keeps team members engaged. Lastly, I ensure that workloads are manageable, allowing for a healthy work-life balance, which is vital for sustained motivation. 23. How do you approach stakeholder feedback and incorporate it into project development? Incorporating stakeholder feedback is crucial for project success. I start by establishing open lines of communication, encouraging stakeholders to share their insights and concerns throughout the project lifecycle. During regular check-ins, I actively listen and document their suggestions. After gathering feedback, I analyze its relevance and impact on project objectives. I prioritize actionable points and discuss them with the team to determine feasibility. This collaborative approach not only strengthens stakeholder relationships but also enhances project outcomes by aligning development with their expectations. 24. Can you provide an example of how you have successfully led a project from inception to completion? One of my most successful projects involved developing a new software tool for internal use. I initiated the project by gathering requirements through stakeholder interviews, ensuring everyone was aligned. After creating a detailed project plan, I facilitated regular team meetings to track progress and address issues promptly. We encountered a significant technical challenge midway, but by reallocating resources and holding brainstorming sessions, we developed a solution. Ultimately, we launched the tool on time, received positive feedback, and significantly improved team efficiency. 25. What do you believe are the key qualities of an effective engineering project manager? An effective engineering project manager should possess strong leadership skills to guide teams and foster collaboration. Excellent communication abilities are essential for conveying ideas clearly to stakeholders and team members. Adaptability is crucial, as project requirements and challenges can change unexpectedly. Strong problem-solving skills help navigate obstacles effectively. Additionally, a deep understanding of engineering principles combined with project management methodologies enables the manager to balance technical and logistical aspects efficiently. Lastly, emotional intelligence aids in understanding team dynamics and building a positive work environment. In exploring the top 25 engineering project manager interview questions and answers, we've equipped you with the insights needed to navigate your next interview successfully. Each question offers a glimpse into the skills, experiences, and critical thinking required in this dynamic field. By preparing thoughtfully, you can present yourself as a strong candidate ready to tackle the challenges of engineering project management. If you found this content helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more valuable insights and tips. Your support helps us continue to provide quality information.